attempt to plant some willow kind of down there because I want to weave my own baskets. So I've got my screwdriver, I've got my willow this way up. Alright, so right, plant this end up. So then I just poke them down. And I'll stamp around them a bit, I think. Oh, that's not a very good hole. Oh. Oh, I'm dropping. All you can probably hear is me going in the microphone. My ever dandy gardening screwdriver. Don't need to spend lots of money on extra tools. So, we no longer have the allotment that was left in Purbright. We have moved up to North Yorkshire now, and we bought a house, and we've turned the front garden and the back garden into a permaculture allotment. Right, first order of where's this go?
What you got in your mouth?
Do you want it along the fence?
Yeah, between. Put two of them between the rose and the apple.
You're going to want more than two in there.
Another one, and then back fence on there.
Okay. I'll just hop and step and a jump over. Do not stand on my rhubarb. I wonder then if the other one is starting. There is another one down here somewhere. I'm sure it will show itself fairly. So it can't be too far behind that one. Shout louder. So the husband thought it was a really good idea to, oh look, we're going guttering now by the look of it. When we inherited this garden, it was, well, actually, if I go back even further, when these houses were built, they were built on pig fields. So the, well, front and back garden, both of them, are basically pure clay. So we moved in a year ago, so last January, and we put a load of soil conditioner down and did the best that we could last year. We grew a fair bit. Want to grow a lot more this year, but we've put like some beautiful hellebores in, so they'll come back each year. We've got our apple trees. We've got blueberries. We've got some perennial herbs and stuff. We've got a wildlife pond, which I'll take you to in a minute. We've got a blackberry in, which I'm going to tie in today. Wisteria, we've got our strawberries established. So we put the groundwork in last year, ready for an exceptional year this year. Did we make some mistakes? I'm pretty sure we probably did. But we've got that one's a Bramley apple, that one's a russet apple, and actually they're budding already, which is nice. We've got an elderberry down here, which is also budding. have we got anything on our purple sprouting broccoli, which we planted a bit late?
Well, it got attacked, didn't it?
Well, yeah, okay, so the white butterfly got to it, but then all of a sudden they must have died off and it sprung to life, but we've not had, it's just a bush at the moment. We've not had anything from it. Our leeks did well though, so we're eating our leeks. And then we have our 3 different blueberries, which again are budding. That one is anyway. This one, nothing yet. And nothing yet on this one. Oh no, we have got new growth. So that one especially has. We have our wild garlic, which is sprouting in the little tub. Oh, I went a bit deeper than I was anticipating. That was not just a tune. Oh, hang on, I'm hitting. Yeah, I'm not sure that will. That I can always. I don't think that's going to grow, but we'll give it a go. If it's not in, it's certainly not going to grow. I'll pop some wood chip round it next week and hope for the best. I reckon I'll get those over that side. Let's hop, skip and a jump over there. Oh. Obviously, perfect gardening attire today. Why would I ever want to wear something appropriate? Right, willow, in. What else was my other job? Wintering. Oh, hang on. Oh, well, that can wait. I have more important things. Right, I need to tie the blackberry in. Let's get rid of this rubbish. Oh, right, let's get this. Oh dear, I've picked the wrong. These are not sharp. There we go. Right, let's... Oh, how far do you go, Mr. Blackberry? Oh, okay. Considering I thought we had no growth on this last year. Let's get him tied in. There's loads of shoots on here, which is good. Should be good blackberries this year. We got a thornless blackberry because I didn't want to be... Oh my god, this is the worst thing ever. Oh, that's not even cut through. Yeah, we didn't want to be pricked all the time, so I figured we'd get a nice thornless one. Let's do a bit of wrapping on this one without trying to snap any of the... You're going to hold yourself now. So I think it's about £4 for the little stick, was it? From the range it was. So that's not quite straight. Let's straighten him up. That side's in, that side's in. That side I want to go up and across there. Right, next job. Let's get these birdies fed. Right, we've got to get these birdies fed because they're hungry monkeys. So you've got to make sure to change these every week because in our good old British wet weather, things do like to go mouldy. So I need a actual... Oh, no, there we go. Ah, perfect. good old birdies seem to love these. These are just suet puddings. Got to help the birdies get through the winter. I am too little for this job. But never mind, there we go. Oh, there we go. Nice and full. What's that one? That one's Wild Bird Foods Robin Blend. We do get a lot of robins. So this year we're going to pop this on legs so it can go behind a pergola. And I've just caught some of the runners in little pots. So you get your runner and your pot and you just stick it in. And then it will root. That one's rooted. So we just push him in. And that's just long enough to push him in this one as well. So they will all root and they will be free extra little strawberry plants for this spring. Once they've rooted properly, we'll just cut the runners off, and this will be strawberry plantation. We still need to paint the fence, obviously. That was a massive job last year just to paint what I did. So when it gets warmer and drier, we will continue painting all the fencing black, and then we will put the strawberry plants in situ. I want some hanging down off the fence as well, so then when the wisteria goes up and over the pergola, your strawberries coming down, it'll be like a little oasis of paradise.